Hey everyone, welcome to SaaS Track. Today I'll talk about Webflow, and I'm very excited about this because Webflow is an excellent platform to create amazing websites without any coding experience. Let's start. What is Webflow and why Webflow? Webflow is a website builder that has attracted a lot of attention in previous days. It is similar to visual CMS editor platforms such as WordPress, Wix, Weebly, and more. With this website builder, you can easily design, develop, and launch your website for free. This platform is mostly used by freelancers, marketers, and business owners because Webflow offers design they want at an affordable price. Interesting, isn't it? Keep watching this video because today I'll disclose lots of features of Webflow. Starting with the very first feature, design. With Webflow, you can experience the power of code without writing it. This editor allows you to control HTML, CSS, and JavaScript visually. You have to drag and drop elements and symbols to add it to your site and customize it as per your choice. Once your website is ready, you can launch it on the web. You can also import and export your code with the help of this feature. So, that's all about design. Now, let's check interactions. If you want to add animation to your site, then you can also do that with the help of this amazing tool. These are the animation features of Webflow editor which you can easily add to your website by dragging and dropping. Check all the elements, triggers, effects, and controls of Webflow from here. Now, let's move forward and check what kind of websites you can design with Webflow. Well, this tool allows you to create CMS and e-commerce website. With this website builder, you can also create the content structure as per your needs. These are some features provided by Webflow which you can use while creating content for your website. You don't need to be a developer to create content on this platform. One can easily integrate your content from Google Sheet, social media platform, email, and more. Same as CMS, you can also create an e-commerce platform and customize your page as per your needs. So, create a store using Webflow right now and start selling your products online. That's all about features of Webflow. Now, we'll check how one can create a website with Webflow practically. Let's log into the Webflow account and see how it works. This is the dashboard which you'll get after login. Here you can see the templates based on categories such as e-commerce, agency, restaurant, landing page, UI kit templates, and many more. I'm taking a free template and try to customize it. Let's take a coffee style template and click on the preview. Hey, this website is looking amazing. Excellent templates. Okay, now I'm trying to customize it. You can customize each section of your website from this dashboard. Customize pages that are available on your site from here. If you want to add elements such as layouts, typography, CMS, e-commerce, media, forms, and other, then you can add that from here. And from here, you can navigate your website. From CMS section, you can see and customize all content posted on your website. The e-commerce section allows you to add products to your website for selling. You can also add products as per their category. Track your order from this section. If you need any asset on your website, then you can add them from here. In Settings tab, you can optimize your search, take backup of your website, get information about your e-commerce store, and many more. As we have seen, it's too easy to create and optimize a website with Webflow, and you don't need any coding knowledge for this. So, if you are looking for a website builder to build a blog, portfolio, landing page, or e-commerce store, then you can go with the Webflow blindly. Let's discuss the pricing plan. You can create and host your website with Webflow for free. In case if you want to upgrade your plan, then there are two plans offered by Webflow. One is site plan and another one is account plan. Webflow's basic plans start from $12. You can check out both of these plans in detail from here. Webflow also offers an affiliate program for interested people. You can get a 50% commission for all payments referred by you for 12 months. If you want to join the affiliate program, then you need to apply to the program first. Once your profile gets approved, you will get a referral link. If there will be any successful transaction from your account, you will get your commission. In the end, I would recommend you to try Webflow once. I hope you will find it more profitable as compared to other free website builders. If you want to take a free trial right now, then click on the link given in the description. On the other hand, if you have any questions to ask, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to reply as fast as earliest. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you find this video profitable. Bye guys, we'll see you in the next video with another tool.